Welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of earthing, also known as grounding. This practice involves connecting your body directly to the Earth's surface, and it's gaining popularity for its potential health benefits, especially in lowering inflammation. Inflammation is a root cause of many chronic illnesses, and finding natural ways to reduce it is essential. Earthing is simple, accessible, and can be done almost anywhere. Let's explore how earthing works, why it matters, and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine for better health. Before we get into earthing, let's clarify what inflammation is. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to pain, fatigue, and even serious diseases. Many people experience ongoing inflammation due to stress, poor diet, or environmental factors. Understanding inflammation helps us appreciate why practices like earthing can be so valuable. By lowering inflammation, you support your body's healing processes and overall well-being. Earthing, or grounding, is the practice of making direct physical contact with the Earth's surface, such as soil, grass, sand, or water. The idea is that the Earth's electrons can transfer into your body, helping neutralize free radicals and reduce inflammation. This concept is supported by emerging research, and many people report feeling more relaxed and energized after earthing sessions. Whether you're walking barefoot outdoors or using grounding devices indoors, earthing is accessible to almost everyone. The science behind earthing suggests that the Earth's surface contains a vast supply of free electrons. When you connect physically with the ground, these electrons may enter your body and help neutralize harmful free radicals. This process can reduce oxidative stress, which is closely linked to inflammation. Studies have shown that earthing can improve sleep, reduce pain, and lower stress levels, all of which contribute to decreased inflammation. Research indicates that earthing can have a direct impact on inflammation. By reducing oxidative stress and balancing the body's electrical charge, earthing may help lower inflammation markers. People who practice earthing regularly often report less pain, improved mobility, and faster recovery from injuries. This makes earthing a promising natural approach for anyone seeking to manage chronic inflammation. Earthing offers a range of benefits beyond lowering inflammation. It can improve sleep quality, boost energy, enhance mood, and support cardiovascular health. Many people notice a sense of calm and relaxation after spending time barefoot outdoors. These benefits are interconnected, as reduced inflammation often leads to better overall health and well-being. Practicing earthing is easy and doesn't require special equipment. The simplest method is to walk barefoot on natural surfaces like grass, soil, or sand. You can also sit or lie down outdoors, ensuring your skin touches the ground. Even gardening with bare hands can provide grounding benefits. The key is regular, direct contact with the earth. If you can't get outside, there are grounding devices designed for indoor use. These include grounding mats, sheets, and patches that connect to the earth via a grounded outlet. While not as direct as outdoor earthing, these tools can still provide benefits, especially for those with limited mobility or urban lifestyles. Not all surfaces are equally effective for earthing. Natural materials like grass, soil, sand, and unpainted concrete are ideal. Avoid asphalt, wood, or synthetic flooring, as they don't conduct the Earth's electrons well. Choose locations where you feel comfortable and safe, and try to spend at least 20-30 minutes daily in contact with the ground. One of the most noticeable benefits of earthing is improved sleep. Many people report falling asleep faster and waking up feeling more refreshed after regular grounding sessions. This is likely due to reduced inflammation and balanced circadian rhythms. If you struggle with sleep, try earthing in the evening to help your body unwind. Earthing has been shown to reduce pain, especially in people with chronic conditions like arthritis or fibromyalgia. By lowering inflammation, earthing can help ease discomfort and improve mobility. If you experience pain, try regular grounding sessions and notice how your body responds over time. Grounding can have a positive effect on mood and mental health. Many people feel calmer, less anxious, and more balanced after earthing. This may be due to reduced inflammation and improved nervous system function. Incorporating earthing into your daily routine can support emotional well-being. Athletes often use earthing to speed up recovery and reduce muscle soreness. By lowering inflammation, earthing helps the body heal faster after intense workouts or injuries. If you're active, try grounding after exercise to support your recovery and performance. Earthing may also benefit heart health. Studies suggest grounding can improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and reduce risk factors for cardiovascular disease. These effects are linked to reduced inflammation and improved circulation. If you're concerned about heart health, earthing is a simple, supportive practice. Grounding can support immune function by reducing inflammation and stress. A balanced immune system is better equipped to fight off infections and heal injuries. Regular earthing may help you stay healthier and recover faster from illness. Earthing is a powerful tool for managing stress. Connecting with nature and the earth's energy can help calm the mind and relax the body. Lower stress levels are closely linked to reduced inflammation, making earthing a valuable practice for overall health. Children can benefit from earthing just as much as adults. Playing barefoot outdoors helps kids connect with nature, reduce stress, and support healthy development. Encourage children to spend time outside and enjoy the grounding experience. Seniors may find earthing especially helpful for managing pain, improving mobility, and supporting overall health. Gentle grounding practices, like sitting outdoors or gardening, are accessible and beneficial for older adults. Even pets can benefit from earthing. Allowing animals to spend time outdoors and connect with the earth supports their health and well-being. Dogs, cats, and other pets often instinctively seek out natural surfaces for grounding. Modern technology can interfere with our natural connection to the earth. Spending too much time indoors or around electronic devices increases exposure to electromagnetic fields, which may contribute to inflammation. Earthing helps counteract these effects by restoring balance. Urban environments can make earthing more challenging, but it's still possible. Seek out parks, gardens, or community spaces with natural surfaces. Indoor grounding devices are also helpful for city dwellers who want to experience the benefits of earthing. Traveling doesn't have to interrupt your earthing routine. Look for opportunities to connect with the earth wherever you go, such as beaches, forests, or grassy areas. Portable grounding devices can also help you stay grounded while on the move. Gardening is a wonderful way to practice earthing. Working with soil, plants, and natural materials connects you to the earth and provides grounding benefits. Gardening also reduces stress and supports mental health. Water is another effective medium for earthing. Swimming in natural bodies of water, like lakes or oceans, allows your skin to absorb the earth's energy. Even wading or sitting by water can provide grounding benefits. Combining earthing with mindfulness enhances its benefits. Pay attention to the sensations of your feet on the ground, the sounds of nature, and your breath. This practice deepens relaxation and supports emotional well-being. Meditation outdoors while grounded can amplify relaxation and healing. Sit or lie on the earth, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. This combination helps reduce inflammation and supports mental clarity. Practicing yoga outdoors on natural surfaces combines movement, mindfulness, and grounding. This synergy supports flexibility, reduces stress, and lowers inflammation. Try yoga in a park or garden for maximum benefits. Earthing can be a social activity. Join community groups, outdoor classes, or wellness events that encourage grounding. Sharing the experience with others enhances motivation and enjoyment. While earthing is generally safe, it's important to choose clean, hazard-free locations. Avoid areas with sharp objects, pesticides, or pollution. If you have health concerns, consult your doctor before starting a new grounding routine. Earthing is a simple, natural practice with powerful benefits for lowering inflammation and supporting overall health. Whether you walk barefoot outdoors, use grounding devices, or combine earthing with mindfulness, you can easily incorporate it into your daily life. Start with a few minutes each day and notice how you feel. Over time, earthing may help you feel healthier, more relaxed, and better equipped to manage inflammation.